Sunrise is slow over red earth wide. Whispers of wind where the ancient spirits ride. Dust wakes to life, stories of old begin. Journey within where the true self can win. Echoes of the land, in my soul they hum. Kalahari's heartbeat calling me to come. Ancient rhythms guide a path through the sand. Spirit of the wild across the sacred land. Stars fade to blue, secrets of the night, held in the stillness, bathed in morning light. Footprints of ancestors, etched in time and grace. Finding my balance in this timeless space.